Colourful coach on the train engine. The engine of the train swings on the railway track. It blows its whistle along the route and all coaches follow the engine. We have got a new train with a new painted engine. Color 9 coaches of the train. Voila! It is ready. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.